how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will learn this chapter 14, prepositions. Okay, so let us start now this chapter, kids. Next, start and describe the pictures below using prepositions. Number first, next one, lining text up. Word that precede a noun or a pronoun. जब noun और pronouns के बीच में the noun और pronoun को जोड़ा जाता है, expressing a sexual or the other relations और उनके बीच में रिलेशन क्रिएट किया जाता है to the object के साथ preposition to the rest of the sentence. तो इसमें एक वर्ड होता है preposition, जिसमें एक लिस्टिंग टाइम के समय जो एक वर्ड होता है कि ऐसा होता है जो सब्जेक्ट जो नॉन प्रोनाउन या फिर ऑब्जेक्ट को एक दूसरे से जोड़ता है. The sentence is known as preposition. Okay? चलिए examples हैं in, on, to, by and since. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and cases with other words in a sentence. Okay? चलिए object of the preposition है a prepositional objects is a noun or a pronoun that is linked by a preposition to the other elements of a sentence. Okay? चलिए examples हैं on the table, prepositions है on, the opposition of the preposition है table. उसी तरह under the tree के नीचे preposition word है under, object of the preposition है tree. Okay? चलिए preposition of the prepositional objects. Prepositional objects usually follow their prepositions. Example I was talking about this book. By sometimes prepositions can come at the end of a clause. Example, this is the book I was talking about. In addition to noun and the pronoun, prepositions may have the following as objects. Gerund है, we warn them against using virus-infected computer. Noun clauses है, the address to which you sent the package was wrong. Use of the preposition है, there are the three kinds of the prepositions. Number first, simple preposition, compound and the phrases prepositions. Okay, चलिए now इस discuss करते हैं हम simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are those prepositions which have their own independent form. They are not taken or the dressed from any other words. Example है on, at, by, for, to, into, of, up, down, over, under, near, till, between, since, with, through, though, etc. Next, compound prepositions are those prepositions which are formed by putting a prefix to a noun, to an adjective or to an adverb. चलिए examples हैं above, about, behind, across, among, us, against, along, amid, atop, belong, been, beyond, beside, before, bearing, besides, despite, during, inside, outside, within, without, onto, toward, towards, underneath, underlike, until, unto, regarding, upon, to, into, etc. Okay? चलिए phrase prepositions है. Phrase preposition as the word in the group that have the force of the single prepositions. Each of these words in a group has one or two prepositions forming its part. Examples say according to, in accordance with, in front of, by dint of, by virtue of, on account of, in favor of, in lieu of, in order to, in spite of, with regards to, in additions to, in sequence of, owing to, with a view to, because of, for the sake of, along with, in comparison, in case of, etc. Okay? चलिए phrase preposition और the prepositional phrases है. Begin with a preposition and functions as an adjective or an adverb. In order to find the prepositional phrase in a sentence, find the answer to which or which one. Example है see the aeroplane with Indian Airlines marking. Which one है with Indian Airlines markings. Structure of the prepositional phrase है structure of the prepositional phrase and can be explained by the following formula. Formula एक is preposition plus oppositional modifier plus noun pronoun gerund. Okay, चलिए एग्जाम्पल है at Delhi. at हो गया preposition Delhi हो गया. Now according to है, according to हो गया preposition him हो गया pronoun. उसी तरह prepositional phrase at, adverbs and adjectives. Okay, चलिए prepositional phrases can act as adverbs as well as adjectives. Example है the hunter shot at the animals without pity. The preposition without introduce the noun pity. Its function as an adverb describes how the hunter shoot. Okay? चलिए next is preposition as subordinate. Next is preposition as subordinate conjunctions. Okay? चलिए some prepositions also functions as subordinating conjunctions. These prepositions are after, as, before, since, and until. As subordinating conjunction will have both a subject and verb following it, thus forming a subordinate clause. Example: after my brother waved me goodbye, the he walked away. After है subordinating conjunction. My brother हो गया इसमें subject. Walked हो गया इसमें verb. एक और सेंटेंस पढ़ते हैं जैसे as the Raju swam in the water, he found an ancient statue. चलिए as हो गया इसमें subordinate conjunction, राजू हो गया subject और swam हो गया verb. ओके चलो important topics है if there is a noun with or without modifiers which follows one of these 5 after, as, before, since, until preposition, then it is a prepositional phrase. Okay. Now, kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.